Hi everybody. Today we got a 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 HD diesel. I got a lot of miles. Truck runs very well still, but high beams are not working. Well, the problem is with these, it's a common problem from what I understand, is that the 2500 HDs and 1500s, they have a bad relay. Okay, now the fun part, the relay is under the fuse box, under the hood. So if you have a 2500 HD or Chevy Silverado, what have you, well, the video I'm showing you here is going to tell you where the relay's at. It is not very good news. This is your relay box here, and believe it or not, it is underneath this fuse box. You have to pull this out to get to the relay, which is not pullable. You actually have to desolder it and remove it or solder a new one in, I think. Other than that, you're going to spend a lot of money on a new fuse box, which is about $1,000 or more. The reason why I'm making this video is to tell you where the fuse is at, or the relay is at. It's under the box, and it's a very big job. I'm gonna have to do this myself. I just want to make this quick video to let you know where it was at, so you don't have to keep banging your head against the wall to figure out where the hell the relay's at. So I'm gonna post another video of me doing this and get it done, and I'll post it. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope this kind of helps. I know it's not the greatest video in the world, but all right, maybe every little bit of information helps. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.